Have you ever felt that rush, that instant spark when someone enters your life and suddenly everything feels brighter? Your mind races, your heart pounds, and you swear you've found the one. But here's the truth. Most men never pause to face. Sometimes what we call love is nothing more than infatuation. And until you learn the difference, you'll keep confusing intensity for connection. Infatuation hits fast. It's like fire on dry grass. It burns bright, but it burns out. It's driven by fantasy, by the version of her you've built in your mind, not the woman who actually stands before you. You crave her attention, her validation. You want her to see you, to choose you, to make you feel alive again. But that's not love. That's dependency wearing a mask. Love, on the other hand, is slow. It's patient, grounded, and often quiet. Love doesn't scream, "I need you." It whispers, "I choose you." It's built over time, through consistency, through honesty, through seeing each other's flaws, and still staying. Infatuation makes you chase the high. Love makes you build a home, not a physical one, but an emotional space where both can rest. Here's a simple test. Infatuation thrives on possibility, while love survives reality. When you're infatuated, you imagine who she could be. You project perfection. You ignore red flags because the fantasy feels too good to lose. But love doesn't blind you. It teaches you to see. You stop needing her to be perfect because you've matured enough to value truth over illusion. Infatuation is selfish. It says, "I want you because you make me feel good." Love is selfless. It says, "I want you because I see you, and I'm willing to grow with you." One feeds the ego, the other feeds the soul. Men often fall into the trap of chasing the thrill, the chemistry, the butterflies, the dopamine hit. But real connection goes deeper. It's in how she respects your silence. It's in how you both handle conflict. It's in how you show up when the excitement fades. Remember this: infatuation ends when reality shows up. Love begins when it does. So before you give your heart away, pause. Ask yourself, do I love who she is, or do I love how she makes me feel? Because if it's the second one, you're not in love. You're in longing. And when you learn to tell the difference, you stop chasing illusions and start building something real, something rare. Because true love isn't found in a spark. It's proven in the flame that never burns out.